The demand for electric handheld planers has been growing rapidly as both DIY enthusiasts and professionals seek efficient, smooth, and precise wood finishing tools. These planers save time, reduce manual effort, and deliver professional-grade surface quality with ease. In this guide, we evaluate key aspects such as motor power.
List number 1. The WEN 6534 8-amp electric hand planer is a powerhouse designed for serious woodworking tasks. Equipped with a robust 8-amp motor, it delivers up to 32,000 cuts per minute, ensuring ultra-smooth finishes even on the toughest hardwoods. The 4 3/8-inch cutting width allows for wide material coverage, reducing the number of passes needed. This planer features 16 positive stops that allow you to adjust cutting depth from 0 to 1/8 inch in precise increments, offering full control over your work. The dual dust ports are a thoughtful touch, enabling connection to a dust bag or vacuum system from either side for cleaner operation. Its adjustable kickstand prevents accidental gouges in your work surface when setting the tool down. The aluminum base provides stability, while the ergonomic handle ensures comfort during extended use. For professionals who prioritize power, accuracy, and dust management, the WEN 6534 stands out as one of the best value electric hand planers.
List number 2. WEN 6530 6-amp electric hand planer. The WEN 6530 6-amp electric hand planer is perfect for woodworkers seeking a balance between power and portability. Featuring a 6-amp motor, it produces up to 34,000 cuts per minute, making it suitable for trimming doors, flattening boards, and smoothing rough lumber. With a 3 1/4 inch cutting width and 16 adjustable depth stops up to 1/8 of an inch, it provides flexibility for both delicate and aggressive planing jobs. The lightweight design, only 6 pounds, reduces user fatigue, and the ergonomic handle enhances control during extended sessions. Dust management is excellent thanks to the reversible dust chute, which allows chips to be directed to either side or connected to a vacuum. The kickstand helps protect the blade and work surface, while the included parallel fence bracket and dust bag add convenience right out of the box. For casual woodworkers or homeowners who want precision and performance without overspending, the WEN 6530 offers excellent value and reliability.
List number 3. WEN 6528 3.8 amp electric hand planer. The WEN 6528 3.8 amp electric hand planer is a compact yet capable tool, ideal for small woodworking projects, hobbyists, and light-duty applications. Despite its smaller motor, the 3.8 amp engine still delivers impressive cutting performance at 32,000 cuts per minute, ensuring clean and even results. Its 2 3/8 inch cutting width makes it perfect for trimming edges, smoothing narrow boards, and detailed finishing work. The adjustable depth knob allows you to control cutting depth up to 1/16 inch, providing fine-tuned precision for delicate materials. What sets the WEN 6528 apart is its feather-light 4.3-pound build, making it one of the easiest planers to handle for prolonged use. It also includes a dust extraction port, a kickstand, and a V-shaped groove for chamfering edges with ease. While it may not be powerful enough for professional-grade hardwoods, it excels in smaller carpentry, cabinet, and hobby projects. For beginners or DIYers looking for a budget-friendly and lightweight planer, the WEN 6528 is a smart choice.
List number 4. The DNTI 6.6 amp corded electric handheld planer. The DNTI 6.6 amp corded electric handheld planer combines power, precision, and affordability in one compact unit. With its 6.6 amp motor, it delivers consistent cutting strength, ideal for leveling, edging, and smoothing all types of wood surfaces. Capable of reaching up to 33,000 cuts per minute, it performs well for both DIY and professional woodworking projects. The planer features a 3 1/4 inch blade width and adjustable cutting depth up to 1/8 inch, allowing for versatile operation. The dust collection system with a reversible port ensures a cleaner workspace and better visibility.
The ergonomic handle and rubberized grip reduce vibration and improve comfort during prolonged use. Additionally, the included guide fence and kickstand offer better control and protect both the tool and the workpiece. The DNTI planer's combination of reliability, smooth operation, and affordability makes it a strong contender in its category.
List number 5. dewalt 20-volt max planer, 30,000 cuts per minute. The dewalt 20-volt max planer represents the perfect blend of cordless convenience and professional power. Operating on dewalt's 20-volt max lithium-ion system, it delivers up to 30,000 cuts per minute with a high-performance, brushless motor that ensures efficiency, longevity, and reduced maintenance. This planer offers a 3¼ inch cutting width with depth adjustment up to 5/64 inch, providing exceptional control and finish quality. Its precision-machined aluminum shoes guarantee perfectly flat results, while its kickstand and chamfering grooves add versatility and protection during use. A major highlight is its dual-side dust port, which connects easily to dewalt's airlock or vacuum systems for a clean workspace. The rubber overmold grip offers comfort and control, and the battery-powered design provides total freedom from cords, ideal for job sites or outdoor projects.